Hi everyone from 555. I'm creating this video because most of you got halfway through the practice of using embedded sharing technique, which I'm going to show that forum from our week 2. So the activity, the www power is in your hands with HTML. So you all were able to find the iframe code, which is excellent. And I would like you to remind you that this option to share via embed code is in many digital tools out there. But only a few of you managed to really bring that media and make it alive in the LMS, right? So I will share the process with you. I'm going to start a new thread, just like uh, if we were, if I was doing this homework, juniors example. Just one thing that I would like to show you before I grab the code is that there are two ways for us to do this with this text editor. You can either go to the source code button, and then you have the source code for you to type the HTML code, or there is a shortcut hidden in the HTML here in the insert stuff. I love this name, the insert stuff. So if you click the insert stuff, you can scroll down and you see enter embed code. So if you click it, they have this friendly interface like waiting just for you to copy and paste, just like you did. But since that post, the discussion post is considered to be like a text file, it doesn't run the code automatically. This enter embed code interface from D2L, I don't know if your LMS has like Schoology or Canvas. Just make sure that you try to find this option if they offer the shortcut for embedding stuff, inserting stuff. I am going to go to a video. I found this video, very quick video, very nice. You should watch it. Not this one over here. Uh, so you need to be in the full screen of YouTube so that when you click share, this option here appears, the embed code. Then you click it, and then you can copy the iframe. I usually click and then Control A or Command A, I guess, in Mac, because I make sure that I'm really copying everything. Then I'll go back to my post. So I'm gonna do just like most of you try to do. Go into the source code, which is like this option is always gonna be there for us. You don't even have to use this paragraph tag because we are not gonna be writing anything. You can go straight to the iframe code and then it's there. The good thing about having a code editor just like this one, it's because it activates the elements of the language. For example, we can see that the type of tag is written in green, right? We can also see that the types of parameters like width, height, source, title, frame border are in black, and that the value of that parameter is in red. So it helps us visualize as we go whether the code is working, like the syntax, the way the code works is like coming together well or not. For example, if I do anything wrong here that is unexpected, like my iframe is not green anymore. So the interface gives me some kind of feedback. Hey, there's something wrong going on there. But if, let's say, your tag is healthy, it's going to be green in the beginning and in the end. The colors are not always like this. For example, this guy from the video, he uses Visual Studio Code. You can also use any other software or even those tools that I shared with you that is online, like you can check your code and run an HTML or CSS very quickly online to see whatever you are putting together or like adjusting is coming to your liking, like the output is what you were expecting to have, right? So if I save here, it should pop up. that was the objective of this discussion. Why is that? Because I really would like you all to level up and have this under your sleeves, because this makes our online design and our course facilitation much easier, because then we avoid the external clicks. Like, we avoid having our learner go outside, especially going into YouTube. It's like throwing them into an ocean of like sharks, and then their attention is going to be snatched. My attention is often snatched. So we are human beings, and like we get interested, and our YouTube usually shows stuff that we like. So to avoid this kind of stuff, it's we know about that, so we have the responsibility and like also like the professional duty to facilitate and make sure that we create better environments for our learners to be like focused, right? So you would be hitting post, and then it's there. I'm also going to do the same thing using the other shortcut with the follow-up video. It's a slightly, no, not this one. He has another one that, oops, that he shows how to format code. And I think it's very helpful based on what we were seeing in our crash course. Let me see if I can find that link again. No, here, this one. Another one, 2 minutes. I like that. So in this one, he's going to focus on showing the tags that you have explored and found out like while browsing various content online. And we can see like a person doing a demonstration. So this time I'm gonna like the video because this guy created this content. It's fine. And then I'm gonna go to the embed, copy everything. We can, here in YouTube, we can check, or uncheck stuff. Like if you don't want the video to be controlled, you can uncheck show player controls. This is a lag from YouTube. They don't know about it. It's been happening for a while. But anyways, they shouldn't be duplicating the video preview if we uncheck this, right? Or if you also want to enable like privacy enhanced mode, this means like that you are gonna be probably not allowing tracking cookies to be like targeting whatever your learner is watching to offer them stuff, and vice versa. So I am not going to do anything like this. I'm just going to copy, go back to the assignment. Then I am not going to reply to myself. I know this is an easy way for us to be like sharing our materials and our thoughts in discussion forums. But you should remember that whatever we create, we have the power to edit. So next to the title of your post, you can click this arrow down, edit thread. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the shortcut with the insert stuff. Insert stuff. It's a shame that like this embed code or the insert link is not upwards, because who is using Flickr like nowadays? So I mean, this should be up here, like, because they are more useful. That's a shame. Anyways, enter embed code, and then I'm just going to paste here, and it's gonna be there for you. So this is the other way you can embed your code. So I'm just updating my post. I didn't reply to myself, and that's it. So please go back in this forum and revise your sharing. I would love to see your videos like here in the discussion forum. And don't worry, like don't feel bad. This is the first time for most of you. This is how learning takes place, right? We need to fail, we need to make mistakes. We almost get there. It's the zone of proximal development, remember? So this is like how we should be doing, so don't worry. I will go back to the week 3, and if I see something around here that needs to be addressed like this as a whole, I'll be creating another video and sharing the announcement. Bye.